Hey, what's going on everyone? Nick Corona here, and welcome to Temepe Town Lake. I was gonna film myself flying the whole time, but there's literally airplanes going over like every 3 to 4 minutes, and it would just be incredibly noisy and defeat the purpose of it. So I'm gonna film this first and then go show you around. It looks incredible here. I'm gonna be flying my DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. I do see some security guards. I have taken photos here before and didn't have any problems, so I don't know how picky they're going to be about the drone, and hopefully I'll get it out over some of the other buildings before they see me, and we'll just kind of see how it goes. I'm just getting back into flying. It's been so hot here, I haven't been able to fly at all, and even right now it's 97 today with a high of 103, so I'm gonna hurry up and get out there, before it hits 100, so I can stop destroying batteries. In the heat, much over 100 degrees is definitely very hard on your batteries, but other than that, yeah, believe it or not, there is a lake right next to Phoenix in downtown Tempe, next to ASU, so I'll probably be able to see the campus maybe. So since I'm so close to the airplanes here, and I'm kind of like in the crosshairs between two airports, I can't go over, I think it's like 175 feet here. I'm sure it's gonna make me click some things to even make my drone take off, but I'm kind of in like the landing strip of the runway, so that is a restriction, and it could restrict how much we can see. That on top of the security guard, we'll just see how it goes.
It's a matter with me. I think I'm stuck in a dream, and you can feel it too. What's the matter with me? What's the matter with me? I think I'm stuck in a dream, and you can feel it too. What's the matter with me? Don't drop, won't fall on a feather bed. Don't stop if you sleep in the desert. Better settle with the sound you get. The sound you get. Got away with the pocket and make believe. Burning lungs that you're planning on trading for a feeling that you'll never leave. You'll never leave. All the fake speech, I get it. All the letdowns making me live it. Every day it's feeling on repeat. Every day it's feeling on repeat. All the fake speech, I get it. All the letdowns making me live it. Every day it's feeling on repeat. Every day it's feeling on repeat. What's the matter with me? I think I'm stuck in a dream, and you can feel it too. What's the matter with me? Don't drop, won't fall on a feather bed. Don't stop if you sleep in the desert. Better settle with the sound you get. The sound you get. Got away with a pocket to make believe. Burning lungs that you're planning on trading for a feeling that you'll never leave. You'll never leave. It's a matter with me. All the fake speech, I get it. All the letdowns making me live it. Every day it's feeling on repeat. Every day it's feeling on repeat. It's a matter with me. All the fake speech, I get it. All the letdowns making me live it. Every day it's feeling on repeat. Every day it's feeling on repeat. On repeat.
Alright, well, that was super duper fun. One thing that was really cool is, like I told you guys, I'm in a restricted height area, and it was 196 feet, and it was actually a hard cap where it wouldn't let me go above it, and I didn't need to change any settings or anything, so that was actually pretty nice in this instance. And I got some pretty good views. A little scared to go around some of the bigger buildings, as you can imagine from losing a drone in downtown Atlanta, but it is some pretty good flying down here. You got a lot of freedom over the water, so I definitely recommend it. There's a whole bike path there, so I feel like that gives you a little more leeway, as in like the guards probably won't mess with you because it's so close to such a public space. Either way, I didn't even really see any security guards. They are walking around. They don't seem like they would even really bother you. So ultimately, great flight. Thank you guys for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to go cool down. I'm going to cool the drone batteries down and hope they don't swell up. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, peace.
What's the matter with me? I think I'm stuck in a dream, and you can feel it too. What's the matter with me? What's the matter with me? I think I'm stuck in a dream, and you can feel it too. What's the matter with me? Don't drop, won't fall on a feather bed. Don't stop if you sleep in the desert. Better settle with the sound you get. The sound you get.